What is the deal, y'all? What's going on? It's your man Ron on the grill, and hey, I'm excited about this video I'm gonna share with you, man, because it's part of a collaborative effort between myself and a couple of other buddies of mine, 3 other buddies of mine to be exact. We all decided to get together and do a collaboration. We're calling this barbecue season cook-off. All right. So first up, let me tell you who's participating in this. I'm going to link all of their videos in the description. I'm going to give you a direct link to all of their burgers so you can go make your rounds and check them out. But first up, we got my man James of Backyard Smoke. He's doing a Bison smash burger. Then we got my man Tony, 1526 Barbecue. He's also doing a smash burger. He calls his the spicy Firecracker smash burger. And then we got my man Salvador, who's doing a Mexican burger that you're gonna have to see to believe, man. And of course, I'm bringing up the rear with my signature beer can burgers, my soon-to-be famous beer can burgers. So let's get into this cook, man. Please, after you watch this cook, go into the description. You got to see all the other burgers. You're gonna come away from this video with more ideas for burgers than you know what to do with. All right, let's get into it. All right, so it's time to get started forming these beer can burgers into the shape that we're going to need them to be in, so we can fill them with the stuffing that we want to put in them. So I have 3 pounds of ground beef here, and I'm not going to do any measuring or weighing. I'm just going to kind of break it into sections, eyeballing it, try to get some even amounts here. And these will become our beer can burgers. All right, so the next step is to form the cavity that we're going to be stuffing our ingredients into. Now this is how this burger got its name. We're going to be using a can. The name is beer can, of course, but you don't have to use a beer can. You can use a soda can, which is what I'm going to be using today, or any kind of can. We're going to take our big meatball here, take our can, press it down like that, and then form our patty up around it like so. Now we will grab our can and just kind of twist it out of there. The next step is to take 1 slice of bacon and just wrap it around the outside of your beer can burger. You don't have to do anything to make it stick. It's going to stick to that meat all by itself. There you go. So there we go, guys. All 4 burgers seasoned up and ready to stuff. Here is the seasoning that I use. Bone-sucking sauce. This is a steak seasoning rub that they have. Anything that's labeled for steak is going to be great on burgers. So I'm just going to put these in the fridge and let them continue to shore up while I get the rest of the seasonings ready. 1 large onion. We got some baby portobello mushrooms, Philly cream cheese, which has been sitting on the counter for a while, so this will be nice and pliable, easy to work with. And finally, I'm going to drop a few cubes of sharp cheddar cheese inside each one of those. So let's get to work. All right, my grill is up to temp, guys. Let's get these burgers on. I'm gonna come back here in about an hour, man. Nothing to do before then. All right, y'all, it's been about an hour. Headed out to the grill right now to get a temperature check, see what things are looking like out here. Walk with me, walk with me. How's your day going? Doing all right? All right. Let's see what we're looking at. They're looking good, but they're not quite there. So these are looking good. These are looking good. I'm not gonna wait another hour to come back though, because they're too close. So I think next time I come back out here, I'm expecting them to be pretty close to done, if not done. All right guys, I'm back out the grill. I brought my pepper jack cheese out here with me. I'm just gonna put a couple of slices right on top of here. I had one slice of cheese left to spare. Let's give it another 20. Back out at the grill, and oh my goodness, this pepper jack cheese. That looks amazing. Okay, now I'm getting the temperatures I'm expecting. So I feel confident these bad boys are ready, and we're gonna pull them. Yes, I'm happy. I was worried. All right, let's get them off, baby. Take them inside.